we just touch it.
Yay!
Easy, yay! When do you get chased though?
Gigi, we don't get chased in this game.
Where'd the music go? Why'd the music stop? Why'd the music stop?
Okay, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Run!
Ah! Oh, now you just open the door so you can get.
No, Okay.
I'm closing my eyes. Do whatever you want. I'm not looking. Do whatever you want.
Do we gotta go here?
Leave! Don't look back! 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 Don't look back!
Yes, ugly.
Don't look back! Don't look back! Don't look! He's chasing you! He's chasing you! Don't what? Don't what?
No. Yes, no.
Run! Oh no! Danger! You got this! You got so far!
I don't know, it was just random for me. I couldn't see anything.
You got this!
I'm running.
He's slower than you! He's a noob! He sucks!
No, I'm too crunchy.
We're so close. We're so close. You got this. You're strong and beautiful and you smell good and he's big and stupid and smells bad. Yeah! You're a pro gamer! You're so good! You're so good at this! You're so good at running! You're so good at sprinting! Look at this! You almost beat it on your first try and this right here, this is
I got distracted by your compliments.
Sorry!
No, please keep going.
Okay, I'll keep him up. Alright. You're beautiful. Your thighs are big and sexy, and your boobs too are also huge and sexy. What does he have? He has a freaking stick legs. He looks stupid, and he's a noob. Oh my god, he's got nothing on you. Okay. It's easy now. Hey, easy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Keep going. You're sexy. You're hot.